Threads is an online social media and social networking service owned by American technology company Meta Platforms. It operates in a similar manner to other microblogging platforms such as Twitter. Users have the ability to post and share text, images, and videos, as well as interact with other users' posts through replies, reposts, and likes. Threads is closely integrated with Instagram, requiring users to have an Instagram account and use the same handle. Twitter has issued a legal threat against Meta's Threads app, claiming that it infringes on Twitter's intellectual property rights. In a letter directed to Meta's CEO, Twitter's lawyer alleges that Meta has recruited numerous former Twitter employees who had access to Twitter's trade secrets and confidential information. Meta has denied these allegations, asserting that no former Twitter employees are involved in the Threads engineering team. More than 30 million users signed up for Meta new app Threads, designed as a direct rival to Twitter and the most serious threat yet to Elon Musk's struggling social media site. The app will let users port over their existing follower lists and account names from Instagram. Meta's photo and video sharing app that counts major brands, celebrities, and creators among its more than 2 billion users. Other users talked about the new app's terms and conditions, which state a Threads account can only be completely deleted if a user also wipes their Instagram account. Meta Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg said in a post on his Threads account, "There should be a public conversations app with 1 billion plus people on it." Twitter has had the opportunity to do this but hasn't nailed it. Hopefully we will. Instagram and Facebook, both owned by Meta, have a long and successful history of copying products from upstart internet competitors. The company's Reels feature was a knockoff of TikTok's viral video app, and its stories disappearing posts followed the rise of Snapchat. Meta's apps in the past have competed indirectly for user attention with Twitter by courting news publishers, politicians, and other high-profile people to favor posting on one versus the other. The arrival of Threads marks the first time Meta is releasing a Twitter lookalike. Threads is also launching without ads. For now, the focus is to get as many people excited about the product as possible. For more interesting news and facts, subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and share with your friends.